Hello, my name is Dr. Stanley Lang, and welcome to this Hangout. The subject is quick weight loss, and the question is, how do friendships help you achieve quick weight loss? What is it about the friendships that will make it easier for you to lose weight quickly and, more importantly, to keep the weight off? So, in the concept of friendships, the goal is actually stress management. That's what I'm kind of aiming at with the question about friendships. So my question really is, how do friendships help in stress management? Why is that important? Well, because chronic stress is one of the big forces that keeps your body holding on to fat. So if you can attack the problem of chronic stress by decreasing its effect in different areas of your life, such as in the area of the physical, the emotional, and the spiritual, then you can literally turn on the fat-burning parts of the body through these various different means. Now, it's obvious that going out and exercising a lot you're going to turn on fat burning. If you eat right, it's going to possibly turn on fat burning. But it's less obvious how friendships turn on fat burning. How does that work? Well, basically, when you have chronic stress going on, it causes a hormone, a very powerful hormone called cortisol, to stay chronically elevated. And if there are different ways that you can turn off this excessive cortisol production, then as it drops, it allows the body to let go of fat. So what do friendships have to do with that? Well, one of the most powerful things that you can do in a friendship is build the friendship up. Now, most people, unfortunately, have casual friendships that aren't really aiming at building a deep friendship or building a deep relationship. So what I'm talking about here is making the choice to invest in one other person who is a close friend and to build that person up in the relationship. In other words, your goal is not to try to get something out of the friendship. Your goal is to give something to the friendship. Now, if you do this once a week with 2 or 3 different friends, this has a very powerful effect on your emotional health, which inevitably has a strong effect on your perception of chronic stress. You will feel less stressed if you are giving to other people in a way that's building them up and building your relationship. So the connection between friendships and weight loss is that friendships help you to be giving to another person in a way that actually turns down the chronic stress response in your body and allows your body to let go of the fat. So I encourage you to make this a discipline in your life to pay attention to how many friends are you really building up on a weekly basis. Do you just have casual friends that you don't really spend a lot of effort to try to make their lives better? Recently I saw a patient who had been falsely accused of sexually molesting somebody. It was definitely a false accusation. The person who made the lie was identified by the community, but in the process he was devastated. His life was devastated, and he had nobody to turn to because of the place that he was at. He couldn't turn to friends, and the effect of chronic stress in his life was tremendously magnified, and subsequently he gained a lot of weight just in that short period of time. Conversely, if he'd had somebody that he could be not only sharing the solace of friendship but also building those friendships up, that would have been a way for his mind to go that was opposite to all the stress he was feeling. Similarly, there are things in your life that are very stressful, and if you focus on them, they make you sicker. But if you focus on other people, building up the relationship, they make you more well. They decrease chronic stress, and you'll feel better. So I encourage you to do this on a regular basis, and encourage your friends and family to do the same thing. If you found this encouragement to be helpful, I ask you to subscribe to the channel and also to share it with friends and family. Have a great day, and God bless.